मॅम आवाज येतोय का?
Yes, you are audible. Start the presentation.
Okay, ma'am. Good afternoon, everyone. I will give presentation on the great leader Sardar Bhagat Singh. Myself, Ghorpade Neha. I'm from third year computer branch. The content of my presentation is the Sardar Bhagat Singh. His family great. He is also great reader and thinker. Personality traits of Bhagat Singh. Death quote written by him, and the final is a conclusion. Sardar Bhagat Singh. Bhagat Singh was born on September 28, 1907 in linguistic Sikh family of Banga village. Now this Banga village is in Pakistan in district of Lilpur, Punjab. While studying at the local DAV school in Lahore in 1916, young Bhagat Singh came into contact with some well-known political leaders like Lala Rajpat Rai and Ras Bihari Bose. The Jallianwala Bagh massacre in Amritsar on April 13, 1919 had a profound effect on Bhagat Singh's thinking that after leaving the studies of the National College of Lahore, Bhagat Singh established the Naujawan Bharat Sabha for India's independence. In his family, he came from patriotic Jet family. His father name was Sardar Kishan Singh. His mother name was Vidyavati Kaur, and his uncle name is Sardar Ajit Singh. We are all active in the freedom of struggle. He is a great reader and thinker. Bhagat Singh, a great reader and thinker, was able to break the jail conditions even when officially not allowed. He was reading and writing, but finally, after long hunger strike, got the right of reading and writing included in jail manuals. Thus, he maintained a notebook of 404 pages and kept notes and quotes from the books he read. Here are few of these. Quote written by him. The aim of life. The aim of a life is no more to control mind, but to develop it harmoniously, not to achieve salvation hereafter, but to make the best use of it here below, and not to realize truth, beauty, and good only in contemplation, but also in the actual experience of a daily life. Social progress depends not upon the ennoblement of the few, but on the enrichment democracy or universal brotherhood can be achieved only when there is an equality of opportunity in the social, political, and individual life. The personality traits of Bhagat Singh. Bhagat Singh, he was a good leader. He is also cooperative, loving, courageous, fighting spirit, patriotic. First, I will explain his leadership quality. He was a very effective person. He motivated the youth to participate in revolution. He was the founder of HSRS, that is Hindustan Socialist Republican Association. He is a cooperative. Bhagat Singh, Rajguru, Sukhdev, all were members of HSRA. HSRA, that is a Hindustan Socialist Republican Association. All workers together cooperating each other. They used to educate people, distribute food to hungry children, and work in flooded area and organize all the meetings very peacefully. He is a loving. Bhagat Singh loved his nation and his parents also. He was just 8 years old when his father died on 16th November 1915. When Bhagat Singh was arrested, a photo of his father was found in his pocket. This shows his love to his father. Once he was asked for his marriage, he said, "If my marriage is to take place is slave India, my bride shall be dead." Courageous. He was against the policy called the Defense of Indian Act. The Defense of Indian Act was made of British. They threw fake bombs in the assembly that only made sound and started shouting "Inqilab Zindabad," and then flew some leaflets saying, "It takes a loud voice to make a deaf ear." And then He and his companies surrendered themselves to police. Fighting spirit. He was jailed first time at the age of 20. Once when he was in a jail, he did a food strike on 63 days, demanding some treatment, food and facilities as British prisoners or rich Indian politician prisoner got. Patriotic. Bhagat Singh, Rajguru and Sukhdev were sentenced to death on 7th October 1930. They started shouting slogans, Inqilab Zindabad, down, down, Union government, up, national flag, down with British imperialism. He kissed the gallows on 23rd March 1931 at 7 p.m. in Lahore jail. Death. After throwing bomb in the assembly, Bhagat Singh and Batukeshwar Datta give their arrest to the British police. After some trials, the decision was made that Bhagat Singh, Rajguru and Sukhdev to be hanged. Bhagat Singh was hanged at the age of 23 years on March 23, 1931. This gave birth to a revolution to every Indian, and finally in 1947 the Britishers ran away from India. There was no British Empire and India was independent. Bhagat Singh is remembered as legendary hero till now. Conclusion. Bhagat Singh was a young Indian revolutionary who is known as a Shahid Bhagat Singh. He is considered to be one of the most influential revolutionaries of the Indian independence movement. Sardar Bhagat Singh is the most prominent name in the Amar Shahidas. His slogan Inqilab Zindabad made a great impact on the youth during the freedom movement. Thank you.